Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn how to place holds and make reservations on items at the Westline Public Library. So what we're going to do is access the website, log in with our library account, and request an item. So what we'll need is a computer with an internet connection, of course, or a cell phone, smartphone, and our library card. If you don't have a library card, you can come on down to the Westline Library and we'll be happy to make one for you. So our first step is we're going to open up our favorite web browser, Google Chrome. We're going to type in the top of the search box westlinelibrary.org. Once we're there, we're going to go up to the top right where it says My Account. Click on that. Then we're going to type in the 14-digit barcode number on our library card. Once we have that in, we're going to click down here where it says PIN. We're going to type in our 4-digit PIN, which is typically the last 4 digits of your phone number if you didn't change it ever since you made your account. Once we submit, we're going to be greeted to our catalog page. This is where we can search up any item, whether it's a DVD, movie, video game, novel, it doesn't matter. We're going to search it up and find out if we have it. So in this case, I'm going to look up Attack on Titan, which is a popular Japanese comic. I'm going to click the arrow over here to search, and then we're going to see a list of different items related to that title. So there's a video game for the Xbox One, there's a video game for the PS4, there's a DVD, and then the graphic novel. So I'm going to request Attack on Titan Before the Fall, Volume 13. Click on the title, and then you can see all the information about the author, the genre, things like that. But what I want to do is request this and reserve it. So I'm going to click on the little bookmark where it says request it. It'll say I would like to pick up this title from the circulation desk. Hit submit. It says your request was successful. When it's ready, you'll be able to pick up this material at the circulation desk. And typically you'll get an email, a phone call, or a letter in the mail notifying you that, hey, your item's available for pickup. I'm going to hit OK. Then if we go to the top right and click on My Account, we can go to our holds, and then we can see, in fact, the book is on hold. And in case I want to cancel it, maybe it was an accident, maybe I wanted something else, I can click the little checkbox over here, click on Update List. It'll say the following holds will be canceled or updated. Would you like to proceed? Hit yes. And the hold was canceled, just like that. If you have any questions, concerns, please let us know down in the comments, and we'll try to help you out. All right, see you next time.